Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn on updates available on your Google Play Store app. We're going to figure out this solution or know how you can do that. So all you have to do, just go up here, you click here on this picture here on app, then it's going to show for you list like this, and all you have to do now. So you just click here on settings here, then it's going to take here in this window, and all you have to do now, so you just click here on general here, then it's going to take you here in this window. Then all you have to do now, so you just click here on notifications, then it's going to take you here in this window, and you come here to if that's available. You will click here on this sign here, and like you see now, it's going to take you to the next window here, and you come here to show notifications. You will click here on this sign here, and like you see color now, it show for us here, or show notifications. That's mean so if that's available, it's done on now, like you see here. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.